वोट नहीं डाला था लास्ट टाइम क्योंकि जो लीडर्स थे उन पे कोई भरोसा ही नहीं था। पिछले ये जो लीडर्स रहे उन्होंने हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं किया है।
Fifth phase of Lok Sabha elections is underway. We are right now in Bandipora, to be precise, Sumbal, and as you could be seeing, long queues of people already here. In fact, this has been the scene since early morning. Even before the polling started, there were people waiting outside polling stations. Now, about North Kashmir, let me tell you, it has always been a good voting percentage zone. People always have participated in elections, even when the situation was very bad as far as terror threat is concerned. Strong boycott calls, but they defied them and have been keeping their date with elections and democracy. As you can see, long queues. There are 3 polling stations in this college, and all 3 have long queues of people. Now, not only men but women have been participating in big numbers, and I can safely tell you that these are the scenes in almost all districts which are seeing polling today. Now, as far as politics is concerned, it has now turned into a triangular fight. Now, initially 2 weeks back, if you would have asked me, it was a direct contest between Sajad Lone and Umar Abdullah, but last 2 weeks has seen a dramatic change where these elections have become very interesting, with engineer Rashid throwing his hat in the ring, and while he's in Tihar jail, his son has managed to galvanize the masses and has managed a fantastic, a huge campaign in many ways. So that is what has made these elections interesting. But as you can see, people waiting for their turn to vote, and while in these 3 districts, there are different strongholds of different candidates. But overall, as I said, the contest has been spiced up by the entry of Engineer Rashid. Now, people from various parts have assembled here, and also as far as security arrangements are concerned, there are hundreds of companies of CRPF paramilitary forces who are providing security, ensuring that a day goes on peacefully. Now, we'll try to speak to some of these people, and in fact, आप बताइए कि आप इससे पहले भी वोट दे चुके हैं, पहली बार दे रहे हैं?
इस टाइम हम पहली बार दे रहे थे।
पहली बार दे रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल, वोट तो था लेकिन हमने उस टाइम नहीं डाला था।
वो क्यों नहीं डालते थे आप?
वो इसलिए हमने वोट नहीं डाला था लास्ट टाइम क्योंकि जो लीडर्स थे उन पे कोई भरोसा ही नहीं था, और उसके बावजूद भी जब उन्होंने जीता है तो जो हमारा एरिया है, सोनावारी का एरिया है, स्पेशली मैं बात कर रहा हूँ इंदरकूट सुंबल एरिया की, कुछ नहीं किया है इन्होंने।
अच्छा, कोई डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुई है?
0 डेवलपमेंट।
तो इस बार आप वोट देने आए हैं क्या सोच के? आपको क्या लगता है क्या बदलाव आएगा आपके वोट?
इस बार हमने वोट डालने का दिल से इरादा किया है, और इसके साथ साथ जो लहर हम देख रहे हैं, बदलाव होने वाला है इंशाल्लाह।
क्या बदलाव, क्या लहर देख रहे हैं आप?
90% बदलाव आ जाएगा, क्योंकि जो हमारा एरिया है वो फुल्ली अनएम्प्लॉयड है। क्योंकि जो पिछले ये जो लीडर्स रहे उन्होंने हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं किया है। उनको क्या करना था, एक तो उनको डेवलपमेंट करनी थी, और जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट थी वो उनको खत्म करनी थी। बिल्कुल, हमारे गांव में, अपने गांव की बात करूंगा, वहां पे हजारों लड़के पढ़े लिखे हुए हैं, लेकिन वो दिन भर मजदूर नहीं, बेकार क्या मजदूरी पे जाते हैं।
तो यहाँ सेपरेटिस्ट पॉलिटिक्स काफी चलता था, खासकर हाजिन की तरफ आप जाएं, बॉयकॉट रहता था। इस बार आपको लगता है कि लोग बॉयकॉट नहीं करेंगे, वोट डालेंगे?
बॉयकॉट नहीं करेंगे, इस बार सभी वोट डालेंगे इंशाल्लाह। हमारा वोट जाया नहीं हो जाएगा, इंशाल्लाह हमारा काम हो जाएगा। जिसको हमें वोट डालना वो इंशाल्लाह 100% जीतेगा।
तो as you heard him, he is the first time voter, and these emotions we heard from various areas. Youngsters who previously either boycotted or are trying to vote for the first time, they are basically angry at the system, at the conventional politics that was played, the old faces of Jammu Kashmir politics, who they feel have always not lived up to their promises, have never delivered. As far as unemployment is concerned, as far as developmental issues are concerned, they have never delivered on their promises. So this is the sentiment of the youth, and there are many who, after Article 370 abrogation feel that now they need to vote to bring change, because last 5-6 years they have not seen democracy. They have not seen their elected representatives going to the assembly or parliament and taking their issues, ensuring better mitigation, and this is their grievance, and that's why this time around they're coming out in huge numbers to vote. It's not only the older generation, but more importantly the first time voters, the youngsters who previously were quite impressed by the separatist politics, but that has changed. There has been a huge change of heart, and that's why in Srinagar and now in North Kashmir we're seeing huge voter participation. As I said, it's a triangular contest now, probably the most interesting contest of all 6 seats of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, where you not only have big faces, heavyweights like Umar Abdullah and Sajad Lone, but you also have Engineer Rashid, who out of nowhere has managed a huge campaign, an absolute ripple effect he has had amongst the masses. Now we'll have to wait and see whether that converts into votes and challenges the big names like Umar Abdullah and Sajad Lone. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Sumbal Bandipura for India Today.